Hey, Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Video walkthrough on the Sea Ray SDX 270. Boat's equipped with a white Mercury Verado 350 horsepower engine. Sea deck on the transom here. Sea deck stepping up into the cockpit. 2 batteries, selector switch down below. There's your switch. Onboard battery charger, your outlets there. Side boarding ladder. 2 bolsters on either side. Got some mildew in the cushions that I do believe will clean up with a good detailer, but it's definitely there today. Some sun damage on your gauges. As best I can tell, there's about 70 hours. Really needs to be hooked into a computer to verify with those gauges. Small Ray Marine unit. Fusion stereo, trim tabs over there, looking forward, some more mold cushions here. Again, I think a good detail, the majority of that will come out. Through head in this port console, storage for your bow cushions. The head is plumbed. Overboard discharge, so fuel up and get fuel. Pump your head out. Does have cockpit tables, anchor windlass. Top. Stepping around, let me try to get you a side shot of the boat. Black hole. Your cushions up at the bow again. Profile shot. Engine. Scroll around here, see if it'll take in the sunshine. Sharp looking boat. Could just use a good detail. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Call 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.